Daily upload is the secret in growing. Do you know if you follow this tip within a month, you can hit your 1,000 subscribers on your 4K watch time? Yeah, we've had big creators say, do not upload like once a week or twice a week or 3 times a week. That's for them. You that is upcoming, you that need subscribers and watch hour, you need to upload daily. Now we have different uploads, right? We have shorts. Do not miss a day without uploading a short. Let me tell you, we have big creators that upload 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shorts a day. So what are we saying? And then they are telling you not to upload shorts. I'm not in that school of thought. So if you want to grow in this YouTube and then monetize fast, upload shorts and then upload videos. Now, not just any kind of videos. We have videos that are educative. Go on Google and search what people are looking for. When you solve a problem, you are really going to get your views. Yeah. Don't just upload any kind of video. Make your research. Make your research. It's free. Like, make your research and look out for what people are, searching for, so that when you upload, because you're not uploading for yourself, you're uploading for the audience. What are the things they are asking for? What is the problem you can solve? Educative videos. Upload those videos, and in no time, those videos can go viral, because the secret is engagement. If you upload a video and your audience engage in it, your audience watch these videos, YouTube will recommend your videos to more people to watch. So uploading videos every day. We also have posts. The posts on your dashboard every day. Upload something, like let the algorithm have enough content to push out. So that's the number one strategy. Do not go after those people that say do not upload every day, because you are upcoming. You need your 1,000 subscribers. And then for shorts, remember we have different types of shorts that can give you your 1,000 subscribers in no time. So daily upload or uploading videos, shorts, and posts every day can help you grow and monetize very quickly here on YouTube. Now, the second tip here is thumbnails. You need to add thumbnails to your videos. We've had some creators that still went viral without thumbnails. Thank God for grace. Thank God for such grace. But things that work out here that we're talking about is attractive thumbnails. The thumbnail is the first picture that will be seen before that video can be clicked upon. Now imagine you see everything. If you see, okay, let's just be frank with ourselves. If you see a very attractive thumbnail or picture, won't you just like have a second look at it? Yes, that's it. They said love at first sight. So upload or create the kind of thumbnail that will be irresistible. You understand? And then the captions you have on the thumbnail is another thing. Ensure that you have catchy captions. Upload eye-catchy, high-quality thumbnails. If you don't know how to design a thumbnail, you can ask for help at the beginning stage. After a while, you start learning how to do it, all right? So your thumbnails is what you should not play with at all. And then the very third one I want to talk about is your descriptions and your hashtags. Now, sometimes some people just go straight to your. I've done something like that before. When they see the thumbnail is attractive, they see the topic is good, the title is good. They want to look at the description to really see if it's something they should spend their time on. So your description, sometimes you may not have very powerful description. You can just put what you want to say in chat GTP. It can help you generate, and then you edit and your work is done. Your description is what you should not play with. So these three strategies I've said, if you follow them, in no time in this 2026, you are going to monetize, you're going to grow fast. See you at the top. If you are still watching to this time, I'm Biobele Wise. Thanks for joining. Please like this video, share and subscribe if you have not done that, to join this video, to join this family. Thanks. See you in the next video. Bye.